Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets, and today's video is my mini savings video. I have 6 saving challenges here that I am saving for my revolving sinking funds, and I have $50 here, and I have 2 $5 bills, which is my little savings boost. And I'm just going to, oh no, don't fall, mix that in there. And I'm just going to roll my 6-sided die, and this will tell me which saving challenge to put it on. So that would be 2 bills on the challenge. And how are you guys doing today? I am filming this on Sunday, and it's going super fast. Of course, the weekend flies because I had to work Saturday. So I was trying to get everything done today to get ready for the work week, upcoming work week. 5, 3, oh my goodness. Can we get a 6? 4, 4, 4, 4, and I'm put these last 2 bills on 6. Can't leave 6 out. That die was not trying to give me a 6. All right, let's see how much did each one get. So we have this new challenge we brought in from Budget with Carly, and it got $2. I made each little stamp here $2. So let's go ahead and just shade these. Ooh, I was about to shade in 2 of them. Let's shade in 1 for $2. Look at me trying to get ahead of myself. And let's put that right there. Next I have a party planner papery. I made each square $2, and it got $4. Oh, it needs 6 to finish. That's okay. So 2 and 4. And so far it got, I really need to condense this. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, $28. All right, perfect. Next we have Bookish Mama Budgets. I made each olive and berry $2 and save a total of 32. And today got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. So let's do, let's do 2, let's do 4. Try to shade that in. I think I should. Okay, and let's do the 2 berries there. So let's do this berry for 6, and then this berry for 8. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice olive you very much. Next we have this shaving challenge created by Budget with Carly, and I made each circle $2. Ooh, this one got the savings boost, so we need 2, 4, 6, 8. And we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let's take the 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And so we might be able to finish the other one. So let's do 2, 4, 6, and 8. And let's see how much we got. So in this one, we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $20. All right, and that is a completed challenge. Grab a paper clip. So yay, yay, yay. All right. We'll see what we're doing with this in a minute as we see the other ones. Oh, this one got a lot too. How much we need in this one? We need 3, 5. Is that all? I believe so. Yep. Okay, just $5. And look, that's they got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Look, you were trying to be greedy and all you needed was $5. So we'll put that up here. And let's cross off the 3 and the 2. And let's see, we have the 35. We got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Yes, we do. So $35. And if I didn't say, this was created by Stuffing Budget. Look at that, another completed challenge. We're racking them up for August. And this one is created by NASA Budgets. I made each popcorn bucket. Did I make it $2? I think I did. Ew, I don't remember. I think I said that last time, because let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh no, each one is $1. Never mind. So we got $2 more, so we can cross off 2 more popcorn buckets. So 1, 2. So we just need $3 more. So let's go ahead and add $3. 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15. So this should be $20. Oh, we is doing great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. So $20. Get another paper clip. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oop. Boom. Another one completed. So what we did, 3. We just started that one. This one just needs $2. So let's put $2 here. So 1 and 2. And let's shade in this one. So this one should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15. So $30. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yes, $30. And put a paper clip on that one, and that one is another one completed. Yes. Oh, and I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Ew. And I only have these 2 left, and I literally just started these. What shall I do, Gems? What shall I do? Should I get 4 more challenges? I don't know. All right, let me go grab 4 more challenges and I'll be right back. Okay, Gems, that took me a little while because I didn't have nothing cut out. So I just had to dig in the pile. or no, I'm not putting those in there yet. So I'm going to just lay these out. What I got 4. Let's move this over here. I wasn't expecting to finish so many. Let's move you over here. And then let's put the 4. And then I have this one created by Doodle Dollars. I have this one created by Party Planner Papery. I have a budget with Carly and a NASA budget. And so I'm just going to roll my 4-sided die. And how much I said I had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Okay. So I'm just going to do it this way. So that's 2, 4, 4. So you get like 2 mini savings in one. Okay. Really? Are we going to get a 3 or a 1? Okay, we got a 3. And last 2 bills, I'm just going to put on 1. Fair. All right, let's see how much these got. These ones here is gross. I bet you my husband gave me those. So we're going to make each of these $1. And then we have two bills, so 1 and 2. All right, and then this one got $2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can make each one $2. So I'm just going to cross off 1. You're terrific. And then this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do 2, 4, 6, 8. And then the last one is created by Party Planner Papery. Got $4. And see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's make each one $2. And when I say 4, so we can just cross off 2. Yep, that's how we did that. That is something cute. So we got those started, and then we completed 1, 2, 3, 4 challenges today. Yay! All right, gems. Thank you so much for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this fabulous financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.